One of the craziest, delicious traditional food of Iran is Abdoogh Khiar, or the translation is cucumber with dough. What? Dough? What the heck is that, man? Yes, Raj, dough. The easiest way to describe dough is yogurt, water, salt, mint extract. That's it. Dough. Unbelievable. People actually drink that? Of course, and it's very delicious. So today, I'm going to make you one of the interesting, delicious Iranian food with dough. This bowl of joy. Dude, calm down. It's just a food. First, we need a big cucumber and we should grate it into the bowl. Then we add a little bit of dry mint, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. For making this baby, we need a little bit of raisin. It depends on you how much you want the raisin. For me, that's enough. Now it's time to chop the herbs. It contains green onion, leeks, basil, and mint. You can chop it very well. Now it's time to chop some nuts. But be careful, chop it not too small, not too big. Here we have some rosebud. You can add some rosebuds too. 2 rosebuds is enough. It's time to add 1 or 2 radish. Radish makes it taste wonderful. Don't forget to add radish. Now it's time for 1 or 2 small garlic. This is the place where magic happens. Now it's time to stir all the ingredients. The smell is perfect. My God. The smell of all herbs, mint, garlic, all of together. It's like magic. After we mix all the ingredients, now it's time for yogurt. I use Greek yogurt. The texture is perfect for this food. We add a yogurt. Then we stir again. We mix all the yogurt with ingredients. After that, now it's time to add dough. We add all the dough into our ingredients. It's perfect. So far, you didn't like the video, so like the video now. Thank you, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Now that you mix all the ingredients together, now you are good to go to eat this baby. We serve this with completely dry bread. For that, I just put this bread for 2 minutes into the oven to be crispy like this. So, put the breadcrumbs into the bowl. So satisfying. Now, again, magic happens. It's beautiful and delicious. Look at all the ingredients. Look at it. Just look at it. Cover all the breadcrumbs with Abdoogh Khiar. And ta-da! Your Abdoogh Khiar, now it's ready. Let's try it. Oh my God. So refreshing, so delicious. I love this. Oh my God. It's still filming. Don't forget to make it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Oh my God. Have a friendly day.